Hello students, I am your Jahir sir and welcome to the Jahir sir's math class. Today we are going to discuss about the rational numbers whose expansion is terminating and whose expansion is non-terminating repeating. Already we discussed in previous classes. What is rational number? A rational number is that number which is whose decimal expansion is terminating or non-terminating repeating. If the decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-repeating, then that one is called irrational number. Okay, let us check here exercise 1.3 real numbers. So first question, what is given in the first question? Write the following rational numbers in their decimal form. We are going to write here P by Q form given. We are going to write in decimal form. And also state which are terminating and which have non-terminating repeating decimal. Here whether two types only decimal expansions are there in real numbers. What are those? Terminating or non-terminating repeating. First one 3 by 8. How can we divide change it? By dividing numerator with the denominator. So 3 with 8. 8 once 8, it is not gone. So 8 0 0. Here 3. Put the point and then 0. Now how many times? 8 4s 32. 32 not gone. So 8 3s 24. 6, is it? 30 minus 24, 6, and then put 0 again. 8 7s 56, 4, again 0. 8 5s 40. Now remainder is 0. This process ends here. That's why 3 by 8. We can write 3 by 8 into, how can we write? 0.375. It ends here. That's why this one is terminating. Terminating decimal. Okay, let us check this one. 229 with the 400. 400 once also not gone. So 0. First we can write 0. 9 and then 0. Point, decimal point, then 0. How many times? 4 5s 20. That's why 4 5s 20. 2 zeros are there. 290. Again you can write 0. Again 4 5s 4 6. 4 7s. 4 7s are 28. 2 zeros. 1 0 0. When you subtract, again 1 0. Then 4 2s are 800. Again 0 0 here 2, write 0. Then 4 5s again 20. So again this one also ends here only, remainder is 0. That's why 229 by 400. We can write this into decimal form 0.5725. That's why this one is terminating decimal. Now check this one. How can we write this one? 5 4s are 20, 21. So 21 by 5. Let us check 21 with 5. 5 4s 20, 1.0. 5 2s are 10. So we can write this 4 1 by 5, 4.2. Here also remainder is 0, this one is terminating decimal. Okay, this one 2 by 11, 2 with 11, 11 0 0, 2.0, 11 ones 11, here 9 0, 11 eights 88, 2 0. Okay, now again 11 ones are 11, again 9 came 0, 11 eights 88, and then it cannot end. Here look once 1818 repeated. Is it? It is non-terminating. Why non-terminating? Remainder never comes 0. That's why this one is non-terminating. And here in decimal expansion 18 is repeated. That's why this one is non-terminating repeating decimal. So 2 by 11, how can we write 2 by 11? 0.1818 and so on. Means repeated part is 18 here. That's why we call that 18 is period. This 18 is period. We can put the bar on those 2 digits. Okay, that's why this one is non-terminating. And non-terminating repeating decimals are there, repeating part is there, that's why repeating decimal. Now last one we will check, 8 with 125 zeros, 8.0. Again 80 also not divisible with 125, so again 0, 80, again we can write 10 here. Wait, 125 into 6, 6 5 is 30, 12, 15, 7. So 750, 6 times 750, 0, here 10 minus 5, 5, again you can write 0 here. Then 125 into 4. When you divide it 4 times, you will get 500. 125 into 4, 500. Now remainder is 0 and this one not repeated. Remainder is 0. That's why this one is terminating decimal. 8 by 125 can be written as 0.064. Therefore, this one is terminating decimal. Is it understood? You can divide here like this. Okay. Is it understood now?